Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the UK Tranont business opportunity. So if you're considering Tranont as a way to grow an additional income stream, you're in the right place. My name is Jan Moss, and if you'd like to find out more about Tranont in the UK, the States or Canada, then please drop me a line or subscribe to find out more about it. Now I'm going to share my screen with you very quickly so that we can get cracking on. So Tranont is in the United Kingdom since last year. Officially, we're not even launched yet, we're still in pre-launch, but it was actually founded in 2013 in the States. So it's got no debt, it's well established, and it's got some high impact products. Their mission, which is lovely, is to change 1 billion lives, one household at a time. It sounds a very grand gesture, but I've met some of the owners and this is totally what they want to do. So the products, they're all raw whole food products and they're ethically sourced ingredients. They wanted their products to be top notch. They're third party validated and they also have independent lab testing. They have their own scientific advisory board and the products are gluten-free, no artificial flavors, parabens or artificial flavors. They really want their products to be clean and healthy for everyone. Okay, so Enrich, this is the first product we had in the UK. It's a digestive enzyme and it has stabilized probiotics and prebiotics in it, in actual fact. Now, what does this do for you? It optimizes your digestion, increases nutrient absorption, and improves your comfort after meals. So no bloating and feeling yucky after you've had your meals. And it also helps just in general with your digestive health system. Now, I'm not going into massive detail on the products here. That's for another video, just to give you some idea. Glow is our advanced type 1 liquid collagen, and it's got superfood antioxidant support. This is fantastic for your hair, your skin, your nails, and it's a medical grade. It's got 11,000 milligrams of hydrolyzed collagen, which is collagen peptides in it per serving, which is really awesome, and 4,500 mcg of biotin in each serving. So this is helpful for your joint health as well. Mojo, this is one of my favorites. This is again an all natural drink. So you hear about these energy drinks with all the sugar, etc. Well, this gives you the energy without all the sugar. It's got naturally derived ingredients. It helps you with, promotes weight loss, boosts your energy and improves your mood and focus. And it usually is just available in coffee and hot chocolate. We do have some special flavors at Christmas and various other times, so keep an eye out for those as well. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for the business opportunity, people. The compensation plan. Now, if you're brand new to network marketing, I'm going to try and keep the words jargon free. So the all volume rises will mean something to those of you who are already in network marketing. But for those who don't worry about that right now. It just means that it's you're going to get all the goodness from all of your team, however low down they go in your team. Again, with no breakaways. That's also for the seasoned MLMers. They'll know what that means. Now, for everyone, the 50% customer commissions is on the point system that we have. Each product has so many points, and we get 50% commission straight off the bat for all the points we sell in the UK, or all the products we sell, should I say. And what's different about this that I've never seen before is that there's a guaranteed income at each level of the pay plan that you go on to, which I'll show you later. And it's all completely based on group volume. And there's lots of incentives and bonuses, which I'll go through as well. So all you need to do is build 3 legs. So basically you can get right to the top of the compensation scheme by just introducing 3 people to the business. It would be very unlikely that you would manage that because you just have to get lucky with who you've got in there, but you could, and that's all you need to have, three legs. You don't have to build a team. Now, don't switch off if you're not interested in building a team. This is just one additional thing that you can do. And you would need to have 3 people that you personally sponsored, you personally showed the opportunity to. And anybody else that you add to your business goes underneath one of the people you've already sponsored. So you don't have to, anybody in your team doesn't have to rank up or anything for you to increase your way up the compensation plan. It's all based on volume. So here are the different ways you can earn. So the first way is your customer sharing bonus. Now this one is the one that if you just want to do retail, when your customer buys the products, you get 50% based on the customer point volume I mentioned earlier. So if a product has, say, a customer point volume of 100, then the associate would earn £40.50. Now this is because the original system is with dollars. So we're using a multiplier of 0.81 to make it into pounds. Okay, so otherwise it will be just 100 divided by 2, which is 50. So it will be $50-ish, but that's like £40.50. And you can earn this every time your customer orders, not just on your first order or on your second order, every time they order. So to qualify, you need to be 30 PV. So that means you have 30 of your own personal volume that you've either bought products for yourself or that you've sold to retail. And this you get paid every week, every Sunday. You'll be paid, or at least the plan cuts off on Sunday, and then you're paid the following Saturday. So associate smart start bonus. Now this is if you start to team build. If you introduce somebody else to the business, then you get 50% of your associates' own purchases based on their PV again. So the same sort of thing as a customer. And an associate can personally purchase up to 1,000 CP customer points in their first month. You will earn 50%. Anything over that, and you get 25% in the first month. So again, this is an example here. If your newly enrolled associate earns 300 points from their own purchases, you'd earn 121.50, which is 300 points divided by 2 multiplied by 0.81. So to qualify, you need to be 100 personal volume yourself. So either in your retail or your own that you've purchased. And the commission payment timing of this is the same. The weekly pay cycle ends every Sunday, and you're paid the following Saturday. So this is a lovely one, 5 and 2 bonus. If you just have 5 new customers in a month and 2 new associates, then you earn £200. You can't see that underneath me. There we go. And when you get this bonus, you still, of course, get your customer commissions from the new people and your new customers. So a new customer would class as somebody who's got a unique shipping address. So you're not having the same, there's no cheating going on, basically, and that they've purchased the products, and all together the total must be 250 customer points and no previous history with Tranont. So within this qualifying period, your new associates to qualify must be at least 100 PV of product within your qualification period, and you need to have a minimum of 150 PV in that particular calendar month to earn the bonus. This one is paid on the 10th of every month, so that's a nice one. Basically, very briefly, if you get 5 new customers and 2 new associates with the qualifying things in this slide, you get £200, which is very nice. So now we come to the 10 and 3 bonus. If you increase that to 3 new associates and 10 new customers in a month, then you would be given £690, or basically upgraded from the 5 and 2 to the 10 and 3. You get the additional money on top. So that's excellent. Now, there's all sorts of bonuses. One of them is the lifestyle bonus. So when you reach the rank of Ruby, which I will show you shortly, is how you do that. You get £410 as a lifestyle bonus, and you can use that for anything. Now, in America, they have a Jeep bonus, which means they have to use the money towards a Jeep. But in this country, we're not kind of Jeep mad, and we've got cars already and stuff like that. So we've got different sort of bonus here, which is a lifestyle bonus. You can use it for anything, and they do ask that you share what you're going to be using your lifestyle bonus so that you can inspire others. Now here's the interesting bit: rank pay. So the rank pay is what you get paid every single month as you upgrade through the ranks. Now the first one, just to start you off, it's the top one here, is Jade, and you need to have 100 personal volume of your own, and your group volume, which is everybody in your team, is 1,500. And then this is to do with the legs. Now I will go through this separately in more detail if you want to find out about it, but basically you can't just have it all in under one team member in case it's them that's doing all the work. It wouldn't be fair. So it needs to be split a little bit between the 2 legs in your team, or the 3 legs in your team. You get a monthly team bonus every month of £200. So basically, on top of your bonuses you've already had, your customer sharing, any 5 and 2s or 10 and 3s, you also get £200 every month. Then the second one is Opal, and that's, you can see the ranks on here. You can see all the different ranks, which ends up within £320 a month. But as you get further down, you can see you can start to earn some lovely money. So for example, if you skip down to Ruby, which is quite a significant rank, because then you start to earn your lifestyle bonus as well, and you need to have 200 in personal volume, 10,000 GV. Then you get your lifestyle bonus for 410, which you'll get ongoing after that, plus £1,220 a month. How wonderful is that per month? And we're going down here, say, to Blue Diamond, and we do have Blue Diamonds in the business, not in the UK yet, but I'll tell you which we've got at the moment in the UK. And that's, you get your lifestyle bonus of 410, but also a monthly team bonus of 93,150 a month. I'd like some of that, wouldn't you? We have in this country, bearing in mind it's only launched, or it's not even fully launched yet, but pre-launched since June last year, we do have an emerald rank in the UK, and she is now earning 6,890 per month as a salary type of thing, plus the 410, plus all the other bonuses that you can get. So it's definitely a lucrative and possible thing to do. Now, what else? We've got more bonuses. These are the Trailblazers. Now, if you're quick off the mark, you can get these on top of all the other bonuses, and I won't go into them too much, but for example, if you get to the Opal, and it will tell you when you need to do it by, so by the end of the second full month after your sign up, then you get up to an extra £600, which is made up of these figures: 280, 160, and 160 again. And these are all the different ones you can get, these Trailblazers. You can stack them, and there's different things like Ruby Base Camp and Emerald Ascent. There's all different bonuses you can get on top of them, on top of these. So the maximizers, these are, if you don't quite get to the next rank, you get to 80%, you can also earn these maximizers. So it's like getting paid for not quite reaching your goals, which is quite nice, because it can be very disheartening if you nearly get to a goal content and you don't quite manage it. So for Diamond, for example, then you can get up to 26,730 if you get 80% towards it. So that's just like an extra little bonus. How's it sounding so far? So more rewards. There's all sorts of other things you can do with this business, all sorts of ad hoc bonuses. Sometimes bonuses are doubled for a certain month, or you get different incentives like success trips, pins and certificates, and all sorts of things you can get. So again, any of these are interest you can read it yourself, pause the video, you can have a look. So the success system in the UK is amazing. The support is amazing. If you've done network marketing before, but you haven't had any support, then you're in the right place now, because we have an amazing system. Your upline will help you with a one-to-one. If they're new to the business and they're not quite sure themselves yet, then we will go to the next person up, who will then help you all with your business. There's a launch strong guide, which will help you just kick off with the right information on all the things you need to know. Our community, our Facebook community, is absolutely awesome, and we have regular Zoom meetings, regular lives, and all sorts, and internal incentives with our own teams. We have a boards app, which you can just pick out things and use them, such as this complete system that I'm doing now, using that from there, and all sorts of graphics that you can just use. It's a Telegram system where you can just copy and paste to your Facebook stories and your posts, etc. Obviously, we should suggest that you make them your own, but you can just use them in incentive or copy and paste as well. And of course, you get your own web store completely free of charge within it. That's included. If there's a price to pay to join, it depends. At the moment when you're watching this video, it could be waived in this month that you're looking at the video, or there could be a small enrollment fee, but you need to get back to me or whoever introduced you to this opportunity to find out about that. At the moment, is often special offers where the enrollment fee is waived. And you have your own back office, which is being upgraded as we speak. So there's all sorts of exciting things, and there is shortly to be an app you can use as well. So how would you get started? So get back to the person who invited you here. If that's me, then you can see my Facebook message system in the YouTube, or you can get in touch with whoever it is that introduced you and let them know you get ready to get started. They will help you activate your account and schedule a call with them to get you going and get you all set up. So that is the end of the presentation. I hope you find it interesting. I'll stop sharing. It's like there's so much information to go through. It's too much for a little short video like this. But as I say, just subscribe to find out future things. I'll be doing more videos on it, or get back to the person who introduced you to this, and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Take care.